Hello mathematicians, puzzlers, and other curious people. For us to take a look at in this video, I've got the Math 0325 Test 1 review, specifically question 8. It says, suppose your monthly wages are divided up based on the pie graph below. If you earn $1,389, how much of your income do you pay for insurance? So I don't know what kinds of insurance are included in that. Their medical insurance premiums, car insurance, renters or homeowners insurance, life insurance, I'm not sure. It doesn't break it out in that much detail. We just have one slice of the pie chart for each main category of the person's budget. But we have enough to answer the question here because it's just asking how much of your income do you pay for insurance as a whole. So what I see here is insurance is this slice over here, which is 9% of their budget. So we need to know what amount of dollars is represented by 9% of their budget. Now we know that their total earnings are $1,389, and so that's what they're dividing up in all these different directions as part of their budget. And we can see that the whole thing's accounted for because together with regular expense categories like housing and spending, they've also even got a category set up for taxes and for other savings. So whatever they have left after they've covered the rest of their expenses. So what we're really asking here is what's 9% of what they're bringing in, their income. So 9% of the $1,389. And then we would convert that to a decimal to multiply it. So remember, it's 0.09 because that's like 9% is like 9 cents. If we just put 0.9, that would be like 0.90, so 90%. So make sure that you're always, when you convert from a percent to an ordinary decimal, moving that by 2 decimal places. So we need to know 9% of 1,389, and that looks like a good calculator problem. To estimate first, I see 9% is close to 10%, and just to make it easy to estimate, I could round this to 1,400. So I see that 10% of $1,400 would be $140. Remember, that's an easy one. If you're looking for 10% of a number ending in a 0, you can just drop a 0. So I'm expecting, after I punch this into the calculator, to get a number that's close to $140, my estimate that we came up with there. So let's take a look. So 0.09 times 1,389. Okay, and I get $125.01. Okay, so I noticed that's a bit less than my estimate, but I'm thinking I had rounded up both on the 10% and on what it was a percent of, so it's believable to me that this would come out to a bit less. So I think this answer, $125.01, is accurate. And I know that 1 cent seems a little bit silly, but it's possible that that's just what it turns out to be from the different assorted things that they have insurance on adding up to that.